So here is one of the battery enclosures. I'll take you inside and show you what we've done so far. This came from Juststandout. Juststandout provided us with the enclosures, and they also provided us with the battery. So Joseph and Owen Yang, thank you very, very much. You guys are making this job possible. You also provided us with the inverter, which I'll show you in a second. So that's our partner Juststandout. They supplied us with inverters. Thank you to them. They also supplied us with these batteries. So we are turning things on, and we have a camera. And this is a flare, and what it allows us to do is check for hotspots. So I'm checking different terminals: 22.5, 22.3, 23.2, 22.4, 22.6, 21.2. So this is all good. This is all good so far. So now the batteries are on, but on standby. We're going to turn them on. We're going to turn them on. And we're going to turn the inverters on, and then we're going to check to see if anything else happens. I want to thank Joseph Ian. Joseph, you provide us, led us with the phase rotation tool and the camera to use to check to see what, to see for hotspots, the thermal camera.